quick install video. I had just recently changed the cabin air filter on my Focus RS. So my fiance had seen how dirty mine was, made me pull hers out, and hers was just as filthy. So we shot on down to Napa, bought a new one, and I'm just gonna show you real quick how to install it. So the factory part number is FP71A. We used a Napa Pro Select. It's just as good, and it was available today. She didn't want to wait, so we went and picked it up. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to pop out the old one, show you comparison of the old versus new, and how to reinstall the new one. So this car is 1 year old and has about 20,000 miles on it, and it was absolutely filthy, the cabin air filter. So definitely recommend changing them every year or so. So let's pull out the old one. All right, so first step, just push in the glove box button. It's gonna drop down like so. Make sure you have all of your stuff out of the way. Then you're going to push in right here, slide this up, and the lever will pop out. You can see that it'll move here. Then there's two tabs up here. So you're gonna push this in, do one tab, push up on that at a time, and then push in on this one. You're killing my vibe. So as I was saying, have this one undone in the lever. Now just lift up on the glove box a little bit, pushing on that, and you'll see the whole thing drop like so. Then from here, you see right here, this is the door for it. Now there's supposed to be a little screw here that's with a T20 Torx bit. For whatever reason, this came without it. So we did buy the car new, we're the first owners, but for some reason it's missing it, and I've never messed with this before. So if you do have it, you'll need a T20 Torx, usually on this side. Pop that screw out, then right here, push that tab on that side, push on this side, and then the door will drop down. So you see there's that one side. When you're doing it one-handed, it's a little trickier. And then the door drops down. So you see you'll have access to your filter here. Just slide it out. Be careful not to make too much of a mess. And you can see here now how much debris is in here. A lot of junk, and it's very, very gray. So we'll open up the new one here. You can see the difference. So this is how it should look, and this is what it looks like after 1 year. So definitely a big difference. Don't want to be breathing in all this junk and crap. So you have the new one here. You can see here's the arrows point up. So you just line this up like so. And this slides right back in. So then once you have the filter put in all the way, slide the door back up, push down, push this tab in, down and over. And now the filter's installed and the door's back up. And you're gonna bring this up here, reconnect this lever, push that in and push it down. Then that'll pop over these tabs. Close it, you're all good to go. Now you have nice, clean, fresh air, and you won't have any more of this debris. So if you do have a Napa around, part number is 2230084 for the Pro Select. Otherwise, Motorcraft is FP71A. So hope this helps any of you guys. Thanks.